Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have February's Fashionable Beauty Box that's down inside of this box. Do you want to see what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, February's Fashionable Beauty Box just arrived, and they actually did email me and let me know that this month I will have something that's outside of the box. I guess a few people that got something that was bigger and it wouldn't fit in the box will have an item on the outside, but not every month you'll have something on the outside. It just depends on based on your profile, what they choose, if it'll fit in their normal size box or not. If it doesn't, they'll put it in separately. So down here I will have two items. So I already removed my mailing label and I cut the tape to kind of get pre-ready, but I haven't opened anything on the inside yet. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm so excited to see what's going on in here. So when you open up the box, you see the normal box right on top, and then underneath you see something sticking out right there. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. I'll pull the box out. So here is the main box, and then there's an item down in here. So that's the item that would not fit in here. All right, you guys, so I'm a little off today. Our employee came in hacking up the other day, like full on blown sickness. I don't know what world. And today I woke up with a huge sore throat, and right now my whole head is just feeling like a big ball of like pressure, congestion, headache, all kinds of like sinus pressure. My throat is killing me. So I really hope I'm not coming down with something, but chances are I might be. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get past this so I can get these lights out of my face because my head is killing me. So let's go ahead and get inside of the box. Yeah, these lights are not helping my head. What else is new? All right. Oh, there's tape on the opposite sides. That would help. All right. So now I can get in there, and they do have their card, and I'm knocking things over. Now I do notice that they've kind of changed their card up a little bit. It's a way more legible and it looks a lot nicer, and it has little February with the little rose petals. Very, very cute and festive. It says a month-long celebration of love. Valentine's Day is February. Valentine's Day is supposed to be of love, and just, I love this month. And then that is what it looks like when you open the box, and it has a cute little heart right there with the red tissue paper. That's what it looks like. There is pink and red of these little, very festive. Very festive. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and just go through the first thing right here. And this is the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. If you guys follow me, you know I personally don't care for the Anastasia eyeshadow palettes. I have two of them, and the last time I said that, I dropped in a picture of the two that I had, because now I have three, because I have now the Riviera palette. And one of you guys did comment that I have like the two worst palettes of theirs. So maybe this one will be better. So I'll definitely try this one out and see. I mean, I only hear nothing but good things about the brand, but me personally, I just didn't care for the palettes that I have currently. So now this will be my fourth palette, and I will definitely try it. The colors on the back look really pretty. So let's see what this looks like. So there's the outside of the package, and ooh, okay. The colors are really pretty. I can definitely see me using these colors a lot if they perform well. So I'm gonna have to try it out and see. But there's this palette, and it says Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $42. Each shade is fully pigmented and easy to blend. The palette is luxuriously packaged with a large mirror and a double-ended brush. So yes, there is the mirror, and they do have their brush. I never use the brushes in the palettes, to be quite honest. I think when I did a try on of the one, I tried it just to see, but I normally don't use the brushes that come in the palette. So there's that end, and then the other end is like that. So it has a double-ended eyeshadow palette, and then those are the colors. Again, the colors are really pretty. They're like browns, and there looks like a little bit of like magenta, and those are my go-to colors. So I will definitely try it. Hopefully these perform better than my other palette. So let's go ahead and try that out. But that's really cool. We got this palette valued at $42 is the first item. So let's go ahead and see what else we have in here. Next we have is BareMinerals Love Everyday Lash Micro Defining Mascara. And this is in the color of black. And this right here says it's valued at $20. Create defined fanned out lashes with Love Every Lash Micro Defining Mascara. Designed for targeting hard to reach bottom and corner lashes. The ultra shiny brush features micro bristles that catch and coat even the smallest lashes. Let's see here. Ooh, that is a small wand. So there's that. And again, this is by BareMinerals. I've never tried this one before, so I'm definitely excited now to try it. And I've never been excited about mascara before, but you guys have like convinced me to start wearing more mascara, and I like the small little tiny brush thing in here. So I will definitely try this out. And again, this is valued at $20. So there's item number 2. Then we have is this unwritten, it says Angel, Guardian Angel Watch Over Me bracelet, stainless steel adjustable bracelet. And this says Angel Charm and Bangle bracelet in stainless steel, $55. Holy moly. And it says 50, if you could see that, it literally says $55 back there. Wow, well, that's expensive. So $55, and this guy says, this bracelet is simple enough to go with any outfit. It is set in stainless steel with sterling silver plated charms and an Amazonite stone. So that would be the greenish stone in there. That's very pretty. So there's that bracelet, and again, valued at $55. Holy moly. All right, you guys, and oh, yes. Okay, I have to tell you a little backstory. When I first signed up with this company, and then I found them on Instagram, and I followed their Instagram page. And on their Instagram page, I saw a specific item that was in there, and I wanted to go and buy one for myself. So I actually put this item in my cart, and then I took it out just thinking maybe I'll get it in one of the boxes, because one of the questions that they ask you on your profile is what kind of phone you have. So I received a cell phone case cover, but it looks like a makeup palette. Isn't that just so cute, you guys? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this says makeup palette phone case for iPhone, $16. And let's get this open. This is so cute. This case is the perfect way for all makeup lovers to protect their phone. The sleek and slim appearance is only half of what this case is capable of. So it says makeup. Its TPU technology makes this case sturdy and secure. It is half wrapped and drop test approved up to 4 feet. It is also dirt resistant. How cute. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. So it definitely, it looks like the Naked palette. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to put this on my phone, you guys. So I did tell them the kind of phone that I have. So this should fit my phone. I'm holding it up to it like, are you gonna fit? This should definitely fit my phone. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I can't take a picture of it on my phone because it's on my phone and I use my phone. So you can just see it here. That is so cute. Okay, so then the item that is inside of this bag, let me move this stuff out of my way for a second. Let me remove this sound. Okay, you guys, so we have this bag right here, and this says INC Elia, ELLIAH convertible backpack, $54. Incredibly versatile and surprisingly spacious with numerous pockets. Backpack can be worn a variety of ways, carried in hand, as a crossbody or shoulder bag, or as a backpack. $54. It feels nice and it looks like it's really good quality. So here's the brand. Ooh, I'm gonna knock everything over trying to do this. So here's the brand. There's the tag, and it shows extended traps. There's no traps. There's extended straps. Pull up wrapped handle. So here's the wrapped handle. Let's just open this. All right. Okay, so it looks like you can use this as, you know, like a bag, as a crossbody, or you can take these little straps here and it instantly turns into a backpack. So you can use them like that, or you just pull this up and you have it all. That's really neat. I like that idea. And then there's also just the little top strap you can use there. There's a pocket back here that goes in to like right there. So there's a nice size pocket in the back. And then in the front, okay, so then in the front, here's the front, and then, oh, it looks like this unzips. So you have a little pouch in the lid, in the little flap, you have this little pouch that's as deep as this right there. That is really neat. So you have that, and then when you open it up, there's a pocket here, and then in the inside, you have a pocket here. Do you have another one here? Let me see. Yes, so there's two pockets right here. I can pull the other one down. There's two pockets right there. There's a zipper here. So you have a zipper pocket there. And then the inside is all that print. And then it looks like you can even pull down both sides and get it even wider. That is really neat. So this is like literally an all-purpose. You have a backpack, a purse, a crossbody, or just a bag. That's really neat. I've never seen one that you can literally just like drop down straps in the matter of seconds, have a completely different style bag. So there you go. And this is valued at $54, you guys. So that is everything that came in this month's box. So again, we have this really neat, don't take my hair. We have this really neat bag that you can use in different ways with a lot of storage and a lot of compartments that you can store things in. So here's this bag, I think is really neat. We have this really cute bracelet. We have the BareMinerals, where did the product go? We have the BareMinerals mascara. We have the Soft Glam Anastasia palette. And the really, really cute cell phone case that looks like a makeup palette. That is adorable. That is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? This is now my third box and I am set to auto renew. So I will be auto renewing for at least the next 3 months. I definitely want to give them another 3 months to figure out what I want to do, but I am really loving this subscription. Their customer service is spot on. They ship out early in the month. They give you really amazing items and you always get a whole lot more than what you pay. So if you would like to know a little bit more about Fashionable Beauty Box, I'll let you know a thing or two right about now. I do have a code. They gave me my own custom code, even though I do pay for this box. They gave me a code to save you guys money, which would be SheCrafty, and that'll get you 10% off. So SheCrafty altogether, one word, caps, 10% off. If you wanted to do just the monthly plan where you do month to month, it's $45 per month. You will receive up to $150 in value every month with 4 to 5 items, and it's free shipping for USA only, and you can cancel at any time. If you do a 3-month subscription like I did, it would be $129, so you would save $6. If you did 6 months, which is what I should have done, it would be $252, then you save $18. And if you did a whole entire year, you save $60, making it $480. Love makeup, fashion, and accessories? This box is for you. Each month you will receive 4 to 5 beauty, fashion, and or lifestyle items every month for a fraction of the price. Expect to see high quality items, brand named items, and luxury beauty items. Get double what you pay for. Boxes contain a total retail value of at least double the price of the box. Get your favorite items for much less. We love picking out favorite items for you to try. All items are chosen with seasonal trends in mind. Nothing goes into the box that we wouldn't absolutely love for ourselves. So you choose a subscription which works for you. If you want to do month to month, 3, 6, or 12 months, you take a short survey to customize your box. Now what they ask you, just so you know the type of profile that they would be asking you: when were you born? What is your shoe size? What is your shirt size? What type of phone do you have, which is optional? Are there any colors you don't want in your box? What colors do you want to see in your box? Which category are you the most interested in? And that was from fashion, beauty, or lifestyle that you would choose from. And is there anything else you would like us to know? And it's just a thing, you can write anything you would like them to know to help tailor your profile for your specifications and your liking. So I do really like that they go off of a profile and you can tell them additional information to kind of help them tailor your box. So I'm really liking this box. Again, you guys, this is now my 3rd box, and I'm so glad that I'm bringing it to my channel to show you guys, because so far I've been getting really amazing products, and again, their customer service is spot on. So if you would like to check them out, the link will be down below. SheCrafty will get you 10% off. I'm sorry, these lights are totally getting me and it's making my head even worse. It's like I don't want to open my eyes. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, how did you like this box? How did you like the items? What did you think of this box? Let me know. Your positive interaction. It means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.